No, that's not how it sounds really, guys. Just watch the video because I built this thing myself from scratch. And on this video, I will be doing my very first test drive in this Cooper. When I started this, I had zero experience. So I remember this and there was a lot of tears and a lot of words and it was a struggle to get the Cooper where it is, guys. In 9 months, I made it this far. And this weekend that's passed now, we did some work on the Cooper and it was busy nights. But here it is. After 4 days at John Ray's house, I'm finally back to the Cooper's workshop. I'm still far from done, but I'm happy because the Cooper is going. I'm off for now. I will focus again on this on the weekend. But for now, I'm super happy and super proud of myself. Make sure to hit the follow button if you don't want to miss the end results. See you guys in the next one.